Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a really tasty sweet and spicy cashew chicken stir-fry. It's crunchy, packed with sweet and spicy flavor, and absolutely irresistible. And it's actually really simple to make. So, let's get started. First, let's prep the chicken. I have 1 pound of chicken cut into bite-sized pieces. We're going to marinate it with 1 tablespoon of coconut aminos, or soy sauce if you prefer, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, a pinch of crushed black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix everything well. Make sure each piece is coated. Then, let it sit for at least 30 minutes so the flavors can really soak in. While the chicken is marinating, let's make the sauce. In a small bowl, combine 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons coconut aminos, half a teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, a 1/4 cup of water. Stir it well until it's smooth. This sauce gives the chicken a glossy, delicious coating with that perfect sweet and spicy kick that makes every bite so satisfying. Next, prep your veggies. Chop a bunch of spring onions into about 2-inch pieces. Slice 4 or 5 red chili peppers. And slice half a white onion about 1 centimeter thick, or however you like it. Fresh veggies make the dish look so nice, and they add a lot of flavor. Now, heat 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pan over medium-high. Start by frying half a cup of cashews, just till they're golden, fragrant. Set them aside. In the same pan, sauté 1 teaspoon minced ginger garlic until it smells amazing. Then, add the marinated chicken and stir-fry until it's fully cooked. Next, toss Next, toss in the chili peppers, onions, and our sauce. Stir everything quickly. Let the sauce thicken and coat the chicken. Finally, fold in the spring onions and the golden cashews. And that's it. Once it's done, turn off the heat and transfer to a serving plate. This stir-fry goes perfectly with steamed rice, or just eat it straight from the pan. Every bite is full of that amazing sweet and spicy flavor. I'd love to know where you're watching from, so leave a comment down below. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more simple, delicious recipes. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.